Welcome to the world of development. If you are new to coding, you might wonder why professional developers stare at black screens with text instead of using colorful buttons and menus. Today, we are exploring why the terminal is the ultimate power tool for programmers and why you should learn it. Let's start with the basics. A GUI or graphical user interface is what you use every day on your phone or computer. You point, you click, you drag. It is visual and easy to learn. A CLI or command line interface is text-based. You type a command, press enter, and the computer obeys. While the GUI is great for browsing, the CLI is built for pure utility. The first major reason is speed. When you use a mouse, you have to physically move your hand, locate the icon, and click. This takes time. With the terminal, your hands never leave the keyboard. You can execute complex operations in a fraction of a second just by typing a few characters. Imagine you need to rename 1,000 image files. In a graphical interface, you might have to click on every single one. In the terminal, you can write a simple loop or a single command to rename all of them instantly. The terminal turns hours of repetitive manual labor into seconds of automated work. Graphical interfaces often simplify things by hiding options. They give you the easy path, but not always the one you need. The terminal gives you access to every switch, flag, and configuration possible. It is precise. If you type a command, it does exactly that every single time without worrying if a button moved after an update. Graphical interfaces are heavy. They need memory to render windows, shadows, and animations. The terminal is incredibly lightweight. It uses a tiny fraction of your system's RAM and CPU. This leaves more power for your actual code and applications to run smoothly. This is crucial for web developers. Most servers that power the internet do not have screens or mice attached to them. They live in data centers miles away. To manage them, you connect remotely using tools like SSH. In this environment, the terminal is not just an option. It is the only way to communicate with the server. The most popular tools in the software industry are built for the terminal first. Tools like Git for version control, NPM for managing packages, and Docker for containers all rely heavily on command line operations. While graphical wrappers exist, they often lack the full feature set of the command line versions. One of the coolest features of the terminal is piping. This allows you to take the output of one program and feed it directly into another as input. You can chain together 3 or 4 different tools to create a custom workflow on the fly. This level of flexibility is extremely difficult to achieve with graphical apps. So, why learn it? Because it makes you faster, more capable, and ready for professional environments. It unlocks the full potential of your computer. It might look intimidating at first, but once you get comfortable, you will wonder how you ever worked without it.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.